I can't think that fast. Hey, bro. No.
Why did it echo?
Hey guys! That was so cringy. Hey guys, we're back. And on back today's video. We're gonna be making brownies. Yeehaw! I'm gonna be making brownies because I just kicked Abby out of my
Trust fall.
Hey guys, I'm back with everybody's favorite Abby and Ennis.
Hello.
And we are going to be making brownies. Okay, it doesn't get more simple than this. Box brownies.
We're not gonna be able to do it though, because we're master chefs.
We're not gonna be able to do it because we're master chefs. We're just too good that we can't make brownies.
We can't make brownies in a box because we're too good.
And nobody's gonna understand what we're saying because we're just laughing the whole time. We got Betty Crocker.
Betty Crocker.
This is non-sponsored, by the way.
Betty Crocker, feel free to sponsor us. Because you make your brownies on the daily.
Why are you so small? She just touches a lot, so she's actually not that small. Alright, we are going to get started.
Here we go.
Brownie making.
Yeet.
Alright, so the first step is to heat the oven to 350 degrees. So, next, I'm stressed.
We need a big bowl, don't
In
we?
a bowl, combine brownies, mix.
Combine brownies in the bowl to make brownies.
Water, oil, and eggs. Wait, I don't know what oil.
Oh, we're gonna have to go to trip to the grocery store.
Right here. Oh my god, we need our Pam. We love our Pam.
Canola oil, is that what we used last time with Marianne?
Wait, I have
It just says oil.
Oh.
So yeah, canola
Alright, we are gonna get out all the ingredients and stuff and we'll update. Dude, I filled up. Oh, I thought we filled up a piece I had. And we'll update you guys
in a minute.
once we get our lives together.
Yeah.
We got everything ready. We got the bowls, all the ingredients ready to make our brownies. So here is all of our stuff. We got brownie bowl. No, like the frosting's like in it. Pan, you know. We got our, what is this? Canola. It's getting all over the counter. Ew. An egg that Abby's gonna crack.
Yes.
First, we got our.
Off to a good start.
All right, we're gonna. I'm gonna get this all over my camera.
Very nice. The oven's done.
I know, we haven't started. Okay. Water. We gotta get the water, Abby.
I got this. Watch. Ready?
It's getting intense. It's getting intense. Oh my god. Abby, we're running out of time. The oven is ready.
Ready?
Wait. Go. Alright, she did it. She did it. Alright.
Are you sure that's how much oil we need?
No, that's a lot.
No, that's not right.
There's no way that's right.
No. Megan.
Wait, that's what it said.
Then.
Dye? It's because of this.
Canola oil. Wait, don't we need the egg?
Oh my god.
I want to do
It's
this.
your time to shine.
Yeah.
It's your time to shine. Alright.
Just toss it in.
Yeah, just yeet.
I can't take a bite of my apple because it's going to be too annoying for them to hear in the background.
No, I think you should just do it.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, I wanted to die. Bad.
Oh my god.
Sorry, aggressive.
It's a little aggressive. And why is there no frosting?
Yeah, this is like
Nothing.
Betty Crocker. I'm sending you a strongly worded email. Time for the best part. Oh my god.
Oh, careful. You know, you need a spatch.
I almost forgot the Pam. Wait.
No, it would have stuck. Oh my god.
Okay, wait.
Give
I'm
it
gonna
a
get
good
this
spray.
all over the camera.
No, you have to spray it from far away. You're so dumb. Oh my god.
I got it all over.
That's on my apple. My apple has been contaminated.
Will you eat the apple?
Yes, it's fine. I'm gonna eat the brownies.
You won't.
Bet you won't.
No.
No, you're gonna get salmonella. With raw egg. Did you get any of that? How does it taste?
Really good. Okay, guys.
We made brownies.
So we made the brownies.
Yay.
We are okay. So we finished making them. They were pretty.
No, we didn't finish making them.
We finished
The batter.
The batter.
We need to
They
put
were
it in the
pretty.
oven.
I like how we always talk on top
Yeah,
of each
okay,
other.
go ahead.
We finished.
We finished making the brownies.
So
we finished making. Okay, take it away.
I'm gonna put the brownies in the oven now. All I want to say.
I got it from here. We finished the batter. It's looking good. Now we're just gonna stick it in the oven. But since it has to take like 40 minutes, we decided, why don't we just go to the gym? Because we're gonna go to the gym anyway, but we don't want it to wait to like cook and cool. So we're gonna go to the gym now, come back, brownies will be ready. After we work out really hard, we're just gonna stuff ourselves with brownies. So the workout literally means nothing. But guess what, that's okay.
I just zoned out completely. Oh my god.
Okay, well I explained everything in very good detail.
I'm putting these in the oven now, in case you didn't know. Alright, so we left the brownies in the oven to cook. That is what we did. We went to the gym, got some gains, you know. Then we went to Metro, got this tub of icing, which I will insert the clip of us getting the icing right now. When? Right now. What was it? I think it was like this.
Oh no, it was this.
Wait, that one?
For sure, yeah, because it said the deluxe one.
Alright, well I guess that's what we're getting. Wait, no, we want milk chocolate, not regular chocolate. Wait.
No, this is it.
Well, there's like milk chocolate. Wait, do we want milk chocolate or like regular chocolate?
Oh, I don't know. French chocolate?
Oh my God,
what is going on?
Who knew that there were so many different types of chocolate?
Yo,
Abby,
what do we get? Chocolate? I say we just go with chocolate.
Okay,
right?
we'll just go chocolate. Let's go.
Or should we get milk chocolate?
Wait, I feel like milk chocolate would be better. I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna get milk chocolate.
It's probably like the brownies are ready. They're in the oven. Oh my gosh. Let me just grab. We got our brownies. Oh my god, they're so hot. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm gonna burn myself.
It's a little wonky, if you will. A little funky.
The regular one definitely is better. But we weren't thinking.
No, careful, please.
I was gonna put an A in it and
Yeah.
A and M.
Yep.
I can't really see it, but that's okay.
How cute.
Alright, get a close up on that.
Yep.
Wait, it looks like AM. Like in the morning.
It's the morning. No, it's okay.
We're the morning.
Why did you put those on the counter?
They didn't make the cut.
Put them on the counter.
Don't expose my. Oh man. Okay. Oh, this is getting a lot worse. I thought it would.
Megan.
Abby.
The ones on the plate look fine.
I know, but like I just need a few more for the plate, and then we'll be
Gucci.
Gucci. This is Hazel. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna drop these on the ground.
Don't.
Time for the final reveal of our brownies.
Here they are.
Oh my god, so good.
Good, please be careful.
Time trying them. One better.
Wait, it's good.
Brownies? Honestly, these brownies were good. Betty Crocker didn't disappoint.
Well, kind
A
of.
little bit. With the
I feel like it's mostly our fault.
with the icing,
Yeah.
Betty Crocker, what even is this? This is not enough. Who only uses this much icing? Like, 6. Absolutely not.
So we got a whole tub.
We got a tub. But it's also Betty Crocker.
Betty who?
Betty who?
But it's
Do you have anything else to say? Why is something like this?
Thank you so much for watching this video.
Thanks guys for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to give it a
Big thumbs up.
like,
subscribe,
comment
down below, anything you want. Hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.
There you go. See you guys in the next video.
I will be featured for a really exciting video coming up soon in the future.
Yeah,
really exciting.
I don't even know what she's talking about.
Yes,
but there's so many of them. Oh my god.
Be excited for that one. That's gonna be a good one.
I'm scared.
No, don't worry about it.
Alright, well.
I have a lot of people in on that, eh? Like I'm getting input from a lot of people.
Alright, well, my YouTube channel is canceled. This is my last video.
No, it's not.
I know you
don't
guys.
forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
Alright,
Are we ending it?
I guess.
When?
Right now.
When?
Right now.